Rust has a very rich debugger in terms of warnings and errors. It will be better if I show it you what I mean. We have now received the warnings. Rust makes it easy and guides well. That's why compile time takes a long time. As you can see, it also informs us about the variables that we do not use. Compiler rightly says you defined a variable named id, but you didn't use it. Well, if you are not going to use it, it warns why you are defining a variable. Please do not use the warning expression methods that I will write about in the project development process. Use it only when you develop yourself individually or in programs you write experimentally. The purpose of these warnings is to remind you what you forgot while writing the project and to prevent possible critical errors. I can use it to make a small introduction to the attribute part and to examine the results more easily if we have a code that gives too many warnings in the future. That's why I am making a little introduction. First of all, we can eliminate this warning by turning this line into a command line. This was the first method. As another method, when we read the warning, it shows us how to do it. We can express this warning by putting an underscore in front of the variable name. We can see the tip of the third method from the note heading. It states that it will warn us when there is an unused variable by default. Let's copy this attribute and try typing allow instead of the word warn. Let's test the result by running the program. As you can see, we have eliminated the first warning. The other warning still remains. We got this warning because we wrote this variable name camel case instead of snake case. Rust recommends snake case by default in variable naming. You can change the variable name to snake case if you want, or we can allow this use with allow as we did for the previous variable. When we apply, you can see that the warning is gone. By the way, it is possible to place warnings of the same type in a single attribute bracket. Just put a comma between them. Let's try again and I will show you the result. You can use these methods experimentally, but if you are working on a project, I do not recommend using it. Especially Rust is designed to provide convenience in this regard. We'll explore different types of functional attributes later on.